How's everybody doing today? It's Rhett with Rusty Dent's Garage. Um, Time to start getting all the old wiring out of here and Painless system going in. It's a 21 circuit. I've got most of the dash out where I can get to everything. It's going to take a little while, take a little head scratching, but they say this is the way to go. And so, not sure how much I'll be videoing, but you know, hey, I'll be glad to get it done. Maybe I can do some good driving videos soon. Have something a little more interesting to watch. It's Rhett from Rusty Dents. Like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.